Artificial intelligence as the future of business management. When you think of artificial intelligence or AI, you'll probably see humanoids conversing in calculated speeds. Luckily, this isn't the future we're living in. Any electronic machine, from your gadgets to appliances, can possess AI simulations. Now, how can artificial intelligence potentially up your business game? Here are 3 ways how. Routine work no more. Did you know that project managers take 54% of their time doing admin work? With AI's main framework to enable computer systems perform human-like activities, you no longer have to check and input every single business database every single day. More efficient data-driven operations. Given that AI can process large amounts of data faster than humans, it can be helpful to businessmen looking for quantitative support in creating logical decisions. Instead of allocating time in data analysis and trend projections, which can be easily processed by AI, you can focus on improving your management-related skill sets. Better goals with better results. By analyzing engagement patterns and management behaviors, AI can help you have a clearer mindset as to which direction your business is headed. Get your business automated right at your fingertips with Onpassive co-founders. Save yourself the hassle of managing your business all by yourself, and instead let AI tick off a bunch of tasks on your to-do lists. Debunking the most common myths on artificial intelligence. To fully understanding the potentials of artificial intelligence in a business setting, it's essential to polish any misconception related to this topic. Here are 5 common myths on AI, and why they should remain as such. AI robots will replace repetitive jobs that don't require intensive skill sets. This is the most common misconception that comes with AI. Knowing that they can learn complex skills like surgery and analysis, such innovations must be viewed as an ally instead of an opponent. AI works the same way as the human brain. While AI can exceptionally do certain tasks, it can easily fail when one condition gets messed up. Since both are intelligent in various ways, the human brain and AI systems must not be compared. AI-generated systems are free of biased thinking. Since AI systems purely rely on inputs from human experts, whatever they're given will hugely affect their analysis. This is enough to prove that AI can be subjected to biased thinking. AI-generated machines learn on their own. From scientists to technicians, the human workforce is needed to manufacture, produce, repair, and maintain AI machines. Businesses don't have to invest in AI. Why let yourself do all the work when online AI platforms like Onpassive co-founders exist? By investing in artificial intelligence efforts, you can easily skyrocket your business to success, minus the hassle and stress.